Hello, Herbalist friends. Welcome back to the Herbalist channel today. We're diving into something special. We're talking about thyme. It's an herb you probably have on your spice rack, but did you know thyme has a history full of mystery, health benefits, and so many uses? Stick around, because we're about to uncover some fascinating, lesser-known facts about thyme. And I'll also share practical tips on how to easily add it to your meals. Let's start with a little background. Thyme isn't just a kitchen herb. It was treasured as far back as ancient Egypt. They used thyme for its preserving qualities in mummification. Later, the Greeks loved it for baths, and the Romans believed it brought courage to soldiers. In the Middle Ages, it was tucked into pillows for better sleep. So thyme has always been something special. Let's fast forward to today. Thyme is still powerful and loved, but now we have more science backing it up. So what exactly makes it so beneficial? Thyme is rich in antioxidants. These antioxidants fight harmful free radicals in your body, keeping you healthier. It's also packed with vitamins A, C, and K. Essential for the immune system, this tiny herb also has a compound called thymol. Thymol has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. It's why thyme is often found in natural cleaning products and even mouthwash. In ancient times, it was used to treat coughs and colds, and modern research agrees it may support respiratory health. Amazing, right? Now that you know a bit about the health benefits, let's jump into the practical side. Let's talk about using thyme in the kitchen. Thyme is super versatile, and it can add incredible flavor to so many dishes. First, a quick tip. If you're cooking with fresh thyme, you don't always have to chop it. The leaves are small, so you can add them whole. Just hold the sprig by the top and pull downward to easily remove the leaves. Now, here's where thyme shines. In soups and stews, adding a few sprigs of thyme can completely transform your soup. The subtle aroma it adds is unbeatable. It pairs beautifully with vegetables, chicken, and even beef. Just toss in a sprig, let it cook, and then pull it out before serving. Thyme also works wonderfully with roasted vegetables. Whether you're roasting carrots, potatoes, or squash, sprinkle fresh thyme on top. If you're using dried thyme, remember it's more concentrated, so a little goes a long way. Dried thyme is perfect for seasoning roasted meats as well. Try it on baked chicken, lamb, or even pork for a lovely earthy flavor. Another great way to use thyme? In salads. Fresh thyme can add a punch to green salads or pasta salads. Just toss in a few leaves for a burst of flavor that's both earthy and fresh. And don't forget thyme for sauces. If you're making tomato sauce, throw in some thyme. It adds depth and complexity, balancing the acidity of the tomatoes. Here's another trick. Thyme Infused Oil. This one's super simple, but so flavorful. Take a small bottle of olive oil and add a few sprigs of fresh thyme. Let it sit for a few days, and you'll have a delicious, fragrant oil. Use it on salads, drizzled over pasta, or as a dip for bread. Let's look at some non-food uses. Yes, thyme is great, beyond the kitchen too. Remember thymol, the antibacterial compound? You can use thyme as a natural cleaner. To make a simple thyme cleaner, steep a few sprigs in hot water, let it cool, and add a splash of vinegar. Pour it into a spray bottle and use it to freshen up your counters. It's all natural and smells lovely. Another fun tip. You can make a soothing thyme tea. Thyme tea is known to help with digestion and calm a sore throat. Just steep a teaspoon of dried thyme or a few fresh sprigs in hot water for a few minutes. Add honey and lemon, and you've got a simple, comforting tea. And here's one more idea. Thyme Steam. This is perfect for relieving congestion. Boil water, add a few sprigs of thyme, then lean over the bowl with a towel over your head. Breathe in the steam, and you'll feel the relief almost instantly. Thyme has so many uses, doesn't it? But let's bring it back to the kitchen for a final recipe idea. If you love roasted chicken, thyme is a must-have. Rub some olive oil on the chicken, season with salt and pepper, and add a few sprigs of thyme, roasted in the oven, and you'll get a fragrant, juicy chicken with a hint of thyme in every bite. Or, if you're in a rush, try adding thyme to a simple pasta dish. Cook some pasta, add olive oil, garlic, and a sprinkle of thyme. It's quick, easy, and delicious. All right, let's do a quick recap. Thyme isn't just a tasty herb. It has an ancient history, tons of health benefits, and many practical uses. From adding depth to your cooking to providing natural health remedies, thyme is a powerhouse herb. So next time you're cooking, try adding a sprig of thyme. Or make yourself a cup of thyme tea, or maybe a natural cleaner for your home. Whatever you choose, thyme has got your back. And that's it for today, friends. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit that like button if you enjoyed these tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more herbal wisdom right here on the Herbalist channel. And if you have any questions or your own thyme tips, leave them in the comments. See you next time. Stay healthy and happy.